What's up, folks? It's Tommy Taylor with Atzenhoffer Chevrolet, and we're here at the Restoration House Ministries' very first house, and they won Pay It Forward and got over 55% of the votes this month. So we're about to go inside and surprise them with this $1,000 check. It's Pay It Forward Thursday, and y'all won this month's Pay It Forward. You got over 55% of the votes. So on behalf of Atzenhoffer Chevrolet and KAVU News Center 25, I'd like to present to you with this $1,000 check for the Restoration House Ministries. Tell us, what can y'all use the money for?
Oh my goodness, everything.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. We can keep our lights on, pay some of our bills that we provide for the women. You know, the women live there at no cost at all. So everything that we provide for them is free. So this helps keep them there. We take women in, that have overcome amount of trauma, whether it's through drugs or abuse. Many of our women have come from an abusive background. We take them in, they live there for 6 months to a year and a half as we put them through a program and help them get back on their feet. We've helped many women get their children back and get into college and work in the community. So that's just one small aspect of what we do.
Fantastic. Well, and how many houses do y'all have?
Well, now we have 2 houses that are officially the ministries, and my husband and I are working on 3 other houses that we'd like for them to be transition homes for the girls to move into when they're going to school.
And how long have y'all been doing that in this community?
I actually started in this house in 2009. We officially became a 501c3 in a ministry.
And do you have any idea how many people have come in and out of this house?
Gosh, I don't know. I would say hundreds.
Wow.
You know. And then we opened our resale shop to help pay for this, and we help the community through the resale shop as well.
Okay, so tell us where's that located?
That's at 1204 North Moody.
Okay.
And through there we give away clothes, shoes. When the hurricane came, we gave away just about anything that we had to get people back on their feet. We sell what we can. We give away a lot. We help people in the community that are raising money. They can come get stuff from us. We drop stuff off so they can have a garage sale with the overage that we have. So I mean, we just really reach out as much as we can. So this is tremendous. We are tremendously blessed with this.
Well, congratulations, and y'all are paying it forward every day, so keep on paying it forward.
Thank you. Thank you.
Pay it forward, Victoria.